Good guys, it's your mate Aristotle. I'm going to show you how to use AD300 Pro to shoot different looks on location. AD300 Pro is a very versatile model. I can easily fit two mirrorless camera bodies with two AD300 Pro lights in my bag. AD300 Pro is back compatible with AD200 Pro batteries. If you already own a couple AD200 Pros, then you already got extra batteries. Save some money and save some room in your bag. If you usually shoot with little or no assistance like me, then this light could be perfect for it. The bracket comes within the package supports the umbrella mount, so I get to output soft bounced light on the model.
It's really good.
I also use high-speed sync to underexpose the midday sunlight patches in the background, so that the model's face is the brightest part of the image. AD300 Pro supports both X Pro and X2T trigger. With X2T, you can choose to micro-adjust 1/10 of stop from 1 out of 256 power. And of course, you can lower the shutter speed to increase ambient light and also lower the flash output to achieve a soft and pastel look. With S2 type bracket, AD300 Pro can support all the moment mount modifiers. Natively, it supports smaller Godox mount modifiers, such as AD85 softbox, which is easier to carry around. We found this cool phone booth, but rather than daylight look, which is a bit flat, I want to create a dramatic blue hour image. I 2.5 stops underexpose the ambient and lead the model with AD300 Pro. Grid was used on the softbox to deliver a soft yet focused light. Turning your face towards the light, eyes on me, beautiful. The ADR12 long reflector generates a more focused light beam and increased light output between 1 to 2 stops. It is perfect to mimic a pocket of sun. Sun starts to come down and the light changes every minute. TTL function comes handy to adapt to the quickly changing environment. I find S2 type bracket helps to hold the softbox in the wind. And of course, I can still mount Godox mount softbox without any issue.
Gorgeous.
Here, sun comes from the back as key light, so I use AD300 Pro at -1 stop to fill in the shadow details. And here, I place the model in the shadow and use AD300 Pro as key light to mimic the sun. +1 stop was used for stronger output. AD300 Pro has 300 watt output. This offers me flexibility not only to balance the sun, but also to slow down the shutter to capture the tide with motion blur. If you do both still and motion graphy like me, then you will find AD300 Pro's bicolor modeling lamps comes very handy. Not only you can mix it with other Godox flashes for photography, you can also use it as LED light for videos. Back to the city, we decide to do more night portrait. The modeling lamp comes with a unique feature. It allows me to freely change the white balance between 6000K and 3000K to get the look I want. For example, at 6000K, the camera sitting at a flash white balance, the city background looks gold and warm. At 3000K, With the camera setting at a tungsten white balance, the city background looks calm and blue. Here I set both of my modeling lamp and camera white balance at 4000K to suit my personal taste.
That's great.
Here are some cool chandeliers in front of the antique theater. We decide to change the white balance to 3000K to match with that. By freely adjust the white balance, I save time from adding gels and get to spend more time to shoot both photo and videos. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow Godox social media for more tutorials. This is Aristyle. I will see you the next time.